it's me, Allegra. Babes, I just purchased the mother load of makeup from Sheglam. Sheglam is a makeup brand from Shein, and Shein is that really, you know, sketchy, some people would say, clothing company where they sell super affordable fashion. Some people say it's knockoff, some people say it's great that everyone can afford to wear cute fashion. So there's a lot of controversy surrounding Shein, and there's a lot of controversy surrounding Sheglam makeup. So with that in mind, of course, naturally, I thought, well, let me try it out. I have no idea what possessed me. I was kind of addicted to Shein for a moment there because I really love the clothes. They are super cheap. They are really cute. So I do agree it's not the best business practices, or maybe the most fair, or actually not maybe. I don't think it's fair to actually knock off exactly people's designs and creations, especially small creators, and apparently they do that at times. So I myself have had that happen to me multiple times. Right now there are people selling a knockoff version of my Alegra Chetti Beauty Mist. I can't believe it, but it's a fact, it's a reality, and it's, if you guys see it, it has nothing, I don't know how to even tell you. It's some website that I found, and that someone told me about, and they were selling my beauty mist, but it's not my beauty mist. Only I sell my beauty mist and sell through Amazon, so you'd have to purchase it from my website, or there are some actually affiliated websites that do sell, now that I think about it, Beauty Bridge. So I don't know, guys, how. I have to investigate further. But anyway, dolls, I figured we would just do a look today, test out this Sheglam makeup and see how it works. You know, some of the stuff I got here today was literally, actually, truly 3 cents. So who knows, guys, you know, who knows how it's gonna work. So let's just dive right into this Sheglam makeup video, my Sheglam haul, and I'll just test everything out. And you beauties, let me know what you think down below. Also, if it's your first time here, hi, my name is Alegra Chetti. I hope you'll subscribe and stay in touch. Also, give me a thumbs up if you like today's video. It helps me out so much. Be on the lookout for giveaways. There is probably a giveaway hidden in today's video, so don't miss out. Take part in the fun. Subscribe. All my giveaways are for my subscribers, so that's all you have to do is subscribe, and you'll be automatically entered into the giveaways. So without further ado, let's just dive right in and test out all of this Sheglam makeup that I picked up. So first thing I figured I would try, since I'm not sure if it's gonna have fallout, I don't know what's gonna happen, is this Stay Wild palette from Sheglam. So I actually did sneak a peek at this already, and I couldn't believe it because it does come with some face colors. So there are some shades that you wear on your face and some that you wear on your eyes, so you can do your bronzer. I didn't realize that when I purchased this. It has bronzers, and then it has blush, and then of course it has your eyeshadow colors. So let's go ahead and see how it performs. And then I also did get foundation, concealer, everything. We're gonna try everything out today. So let's just dive right in. Now, just looking at this right now, first impressions with you beauties, some of these shimmers look unbelievably gorgeous. Let me go, I have to touch it. Oh my god, look at that. This is it. I've got, where is it? I've got the Shein concealer. So, oh, I'm sorry, the Shein Glam concealer. Sheglam concealer. This is the Versatile Flawless Concealer. So I'm going to use this as the base for my eyeshadows. So this is what it looks like when this is my first impressions. It is a very big container. So the packaging is really, actually really beautiful, bougie. I love the black and white writing, or is that Morphe-esque? But anyhow, I'm sure Morphe's not happy about that. But because it does actually remind me of Morphe. I don't know if you could see that, but the font and everything, the color scheme, the color family. So actually, first thing, it's coming out very watery. So I'm not sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I'm used to concealer being a little bit on the thicker. It just started oozing out on its own. But hey, you know, let's try it and see what happens. I don't know if you saw that, but it just started oozing out of the bottle on its own. Let me go ahead and just put this on. So yeah, it feels really nice and creamy, actually. It doesn't feel too watery. In truth, it does feel really nice. I'm a little bit shocked. I also did pick up this beauty sponge duo. So it's really adorable, and I love how it's tear shaped. Very, very nice material, very soft. So in this little duo, they had this large size and then a smaller size, which I'm going to try right now. This is also from Sheglam. So I also got a brush today. I can't wait to try. So anyhow, I'm just going to kind of press this into my skin, the concealer. I hope you guys could see, but it didn't separate so far like I thought it might for a $4. So it was like $4 concealer. Okay. But look, I hope you guys can see, but it's staying pretty good. So just to get started, I'm going to go ahead with this kind of light shade, and then I will kind of think about which color we should put on, because that blue is just calling my name. Isn't it gorgeous? It looks gorgeous. So let's see how this kind of neutral shade performs. We really probably have to build this up a bit because it's very light. It's very pretty though, actually. That was 2 dips into the shadow to get this color. So I'm just going to take some of this really dark color and kind of do a little bit of a wing with an angled brush. And then I'm just going to reach into this mid-tone shade here and I'll put that in the crease. And then I'm just going to take some of this shade here. I just can't resist it. It's called Reborn and it looks really beautiful. So I'm just going to put that on my lid. So I'm just going to take some on my brush and then spray it with my beauty mist. So dolls, that's where we're at. You know, right now I feel like it's a little dusty looking. I don't know what other word to use. I just don't feel like it has a lot of life to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on some of this winged liner that I picked up from Sheglam. Now this, oh, it has a stamper on one side, and then in the other side, oh, is a traditional eyeliner. So let me try the stamper. I've never tried one of these and I've always wanted to try it. So I'm just gonna stamp that on. Oh, that's interesting. I gotta get used to that. I'm gonna go ahead and use the regular wing liner because I gotta practice with that. Already it's transferred onto my eye, so that's not good. I hope you guys can see, but it's already gotten onto my hooding, and that doesn't happen with every liquid liner because some of them will stay put exactly where you put them. That one did not. That one did not stay. That one did not stay. So I'm gonna have to kind of work with it now, maybe try to blend that out or something. And then beauties, I've got a bunch of lashes here. I must have just, I don't know what I was thinking. I just want a little cray cray. They're probably having a sale. So sometimes I see sale prices and you guys know how it is. So I got a bunch of these lashes, and then I got this whole family right here, this lash family. So actually I'm going to use some of these today because these ones look a little bit more natural, and I'm just really more into a more natural lash lately. So I'm going to go ahead and try one of these out, one of the more natural ones. Also, they gave you an applicator, a lash applicator, cute, pink. I love the heart shape packaging. They do have very cute packaging on a lot of this stuff. So let's see here. Oh my god, some of these lashes have actual butterflies on them. Oh my god, that's beautiful. This pair right here has little tiny butterflies all over it. Oh, it's so cute. Wow. Oh, and then they have half lashes. This is a really nice lash kit. Wow, and this was $4. So I'm just going to put on this pair right here. Hopefully these will pop right on. Let's see. Hopefully. Oh, that's not bad. Oh, that did go on. Oh, that went on very, very easily. Wow. Because some lashes, like you guys probably know, they just will not go on even that much at first. I don't know why. They just want to go here, go there, go everywhere. They don't want to go where you want them to go. And these ones just went on pretty easily so far. So that's good. That's a huge plus for me. Of course, we're going to let them dry and all that. But so far, that was really amazing. You guys, these are gorgeous. These are seriously gorgeous lashes. These are really nice. I would definitely repurchase these. So now, beauties, I'm just going to pop on some of the Sheglam mascara. I believe this is waterproof curling mascara. Also beautifully packaged. Feels really nice in my hand. I'm just going to try some of this, mainly on my lower lashes since we do have the lashes on. But, oh, that's really nice also. Wow, this really made my lower lashes really stand out, and I really don't have any lashes, so it did give me some lashes. It did a beautiful job, separated them, and it's in a very natural way. So they look like my own lashes. They don't look like I have mascara on. You guys, I love these lashes. I love the mascara. And now I'm going to do some of my face, and then we'll get back and finish the eyes, and you know, I'll do my lower lash area. But let's get into the foundation now. This is it, beauties. This is the Sheglam foundation, and it comes beautifully packaged. It comes in this velvet pouch like Chanel Cosmetics. For example, Chanel will package a lot of their makeup with these velvet pouches, so that's really nice. And also great for travel to keep it safe. Here's the foundation. It is the Sheglam Complexion Pro. Long-lasting breathable matte foundation. Let's go ahead and give it a try, guys. I always just put some on the back of my hand and then I put it on my brush and then I'll put it on my face. Oh, that's the match. It really matches my complexion nicely. I got the shade Nude. Oh, that's really nice. You guys, that is really nice. It feels good. It does feel good. It just feels, you know, again, moisturizing like the concealer. I feel like it concealed my circles already. What do you beauties think? That looks really nice to me. In all honesty, this looks more beautiful than a lot of foundations that I have. High-end foundation, luxury foundation. This actually looks so beautiful to me. The finish, I love how it concealed my circles. So now I'm going to go back in with the concealer and put some of this on. What do you guys think? It's, again, very natural looking, very lightweight, and totally, I feel like it totally concealed my circles. Wow. So now here, beauties, I have some Sheglam setting powder. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this and just set that concealer really quickly. And then I also picked up from Sheglam this beautiful little brush, and it actually has a paw print shaped brush head. It is so cute. It's ombre pink. This is really beautiful. I think it'll work, but I mean, oh my god, it's just so adorable. So I'm just going to go ahead and press my brush into the setting powder and then just put that on my concealer. That's really nice. I'm really shocked. I'm really shocked. That is really beautiful, you guys. Wow. I love this brush. This is definitely a forever favorite. I'm gonna go look at more of their brushes because this is adorable. And it just fit like perfection under my eyes, on the side of my nose. It's just hugging. And it's very hard for me to find a brush that just is so, I'm just a perfectionist, so this feels incredible. I can really feel it, you know, hugging on under my eyes, hugging onto my nose. I love it. Oh my god, I love this. So now I'm just going to dip back into that face and eye palette that we used earlier, and I'm going to use this shade here as a bronzer. This is very dark and very pigmented, for a lack of a better word. Yeah, you're gonna just be very gentle and just apply the smallest amount of that. But once you blend it out, it's gorgeous. It's a beautiful shade once you blend it out. And then, beauties, I've got this, looks stunning so far. It's a blush from Sheglam. It comes housed in this beautiful pink packaging, but then look at that color. Oh my god, so beautiful. And I just love this kind of metallic pink packaging. It's really beautiful. So let me go ahead and try this blush. That's not bad. That is not bad. So this brush is also great for just blending out the edges. Just beautiful. And I'm just going to give myself a spray of my Alegra Chetti Beauty Mist. It's just going to help everything melt in and look a little bit more effortless and natural. And then I'm just going to go ahead and get back into my eyes while the beauty mist soaks in. And I also got this Sheglam. This is like a kohl eyeliner. So hopefully it doesn't irritate my eyes though, but I'm going to go ahead and give it a try. So that's really nice, you guys. It applied very nicely. And now I'm just going to take one of these neutral shades, I guess, let's see, this one here. And I'm just going to smudge that along my lower lashes. Let me try this highlighter that I got. This is a Cosmic Crystal Mousse highlighter. That's not bad. So that's pretty much everything, although I do have a lip, and I did also get this shaping wax for the brows. So I'm just going to try a little bit of this shaping wax. So beauties, that's where we're at with that. I actually just took a little bit of the mousse highlighter and I put some of that on my eyes, in the tear duct, and also into the crease space in here, and it came out so beautiful. So this actually makes a beautiful eyeshadow as well. If you layer it over your eyeshadow, this makes just like a beautiful topper, holographic topper effect. So finally, beauties, I have this lip here, and this actually is an exact dupe in packaging for my Chanel. I do have a Chanel lipstick that has the same exact packaging. At the very least, it looks like the same exact color. So let me go ahead and try this. You guys, I actually love this color so much. It's drying down, and then probably just like the Chanel has the other side, which is gloss. So yeah, same exact thing, and I'm just going to put the gloss on top. And beauties, I just took a little bit of the highlighter. Again, this is a great highlighter. It's really beautiful. It's the Crystal Mousse highlighter. And I just popped a little bit of that on the center of my lip. So beauties, this is the finished look for my testing out a full face of Sheglam makeup, and I'm really truly shocked at how much I loved pretty much everything, and I'm just truly in shock right now. The foundation, gorgeous. The concealer, gorgeous. Very natural, and just a gorgeous, you know, natural finish, but concealed and did the whole 9 yards. This lip, I love. The highlighter mousse, love that. The brow wax, I love that brow wax. Wow. And these lashes are everything. These lashes are definitely a repurchase. Love this little sponge right here because this tip is super kind of pointy, so it actually just did such an amazing job at lifting and sculpting and working all the products into my face. I absolutely love this little paw print brush. This brush is the cutest thing of life. I gotta go investigate more of their brushes. So I am really happy and shocked and surprised at how much I loved pretty much everything. The palette, I would skip on that. I really don't think that was, you know, it wasn't my favorite, although it did the job, but you know. But these lashes are definitely a dream. I will definitely be back for that lashes. Those lashes are everything. So yeah, I loved a lot of this makeup today. So what do you beauties think of Sheglam makeup? Would you purchase anything? Have you purchased anything from Sheglam already? Let me know down below. Also today I am having a pop-up giveaway. So today's giveaway is for a $25 Ulta or Sephora gift card. So comment down below hashtag GlamFam if you'd like to be entered into today's giveaway. So that's pretty much it. Thank you beauties so much for coming and hanging out with me today and checking out my Sheglam haul. I love you beauties so much, and I'll see you very soon. Bye, I love you.